If you need to add music to your posts on the Rednote app, I've got you covered. I'm going to show you everything that you need to know. So let's dive in. All right, so we're on our homepage. We're going to go and hit the plus icon. Once we've hit the plus icon, we'll actually be able to see all of the photos and videos in our gallery. What we're going to do here is look for something to post. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to tap on something here, and I'm just going to click on next on the bottom. So over here, you'll see a preview, okay? And right at the bottom, you'll have a bunch of options. You can just tap on more. You can see there's totally more than enough to customize. But right at the top, it says choose music. Now, once you tap on choose music, you have two options. You can see that there are a couple items over here as default, or you can go ahead and click on the library. Now, the library will take you to the full library of all the music. So you can go the featured, the daily, western, active, cute, chill, travel. There's playlists. There's things that are trending. You can literally go and have a look at all of these things. Now, once you've found something that you like and maybe you don't want to use it on this post, you want to use it on the next one, you can actually just use the star over here, and you can just, you can actually just apply the star over here. And then once you've collected all of these items that you would like to put into your collection, you can actually find it right over here. Now, once you've selected the music that you want to put onto your post, you can actually literally go ahead, tap on it. It'll give you the apply button on the right. You want to tap on that, and at the bottom you'll have the X and the check mark. You want to tap on the check mark, and right at the top you'll actually see the song's name, and it'll say pause or it'll say play. Okay, and that is now the music on your post. You can go and tap on next. You can complete your post and make it public, and the music will be on that post.